Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add this cool glass effect in your videos on the CapCut Mobile. So first, just prepare your videos that you want to add. And after that, after you add your video, just click on the transition box. And here on the transition, search for glass. Type on glass and click on enter. Here there are two options of glass break that you can use. I'm going to use the first one. Here adjust the duration of the transition. I'm going to go with 1 second. After that, go back, click on the check icon and see the result. Let's play. So that's it. That's how you can easily add the cool glass effect to your videos in CapCut Mobile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye!